Hello and welcome everybody. My name is the IT guy and welcome to another video of mine. And in this video I'm going to show you quickly how you can quickly move files with a certain file extension in Windows to a folder of your choice. So first of all, let me just explain the premise of the video. So for example, I have multiple exe files in this downloads folder and I want to move them all over to this folder I created, the exe folder. So the first thing you'll need to do is, of course, go over new and create your folder and then name it the way you want it. So afterwards, what you need to do is open up the command prompt window by just typing cmd in the start menu, opening that up, and then we will have to navigate towards the folder itself. So the way we do that is we type cd to change directory /d, and then we are changing, first of all, we're changing the drive letter, so we're changing to F, and then we are changing into downloads. So then you can just type cd downloads. So that depends on wherever your files are stored or which folder you're working in. Do take note that if the folder contains spaces, so if then you'll need to encapsulate it in these quotes. So for example, you want to change directory C colon backslash program files like that. You'll have to encapsulate that into two quotes, because otherwise Windows will stop at the space and it will not find C/program. So you'll need to encapsulate that into double quotes. So right now we are in the folder we want to be in. We also created the folder inside the same folder. So let's go ahead and do that. So just type in this following command, move, and then we type in the asterisk or the wild star or the wildcard symbol .exe, and whichever comes after the star is the is going to be the file extension you want to select. So let's say you want to select all of the exe files in this folder, then you will be typing in .exe, of course. If you want to copy all of the JPEGs, you want to star.jpg, and then space. So this actually means, so move all of the files within this downloads folder, so the current directory we are working in, and then we have to specify the folder where we want to copy it into. So I can just type exe because the folder is present within this folder. So if you want to copy the content within this folder to another folder, you will have to specify that folder entirely. So let's say I want to copy all of this to another folder. I don't want to copy it into a subfolder of the downloads folder. I want to copy it, let's say, to F colon backspace backslash data, for example. This is not a folder that exists, but you will have to type out that folder in its entirety. So for me, that's not necessary because you can see that it's already over there. So I already created this folder over here, so it will find it. So I can now do move. So this is the move command, and then the selection will be everything that ends with exe, and copy that over to the exe folder. And I just press enter, and you can see the screen moving behind me. So if I go over to the exe folder, you'll see that all of the exe files are now copied into this particular folder. So yes, this definitely worked. Let's try that out with another file type. Let's just say we want to do that for the JPG files. So the JPEGs, we can do just the same for the JPEG. So let's first so we can make a folder, and let's call it photo. So there is, you can see it in the background, it's appearing over here. We created a folder photo with the mkdir command, Now let's do the same with all the JPEG, so JPG, and then just do photo, and it will copy all of the JPG files. Let's do the same with PNG. So there we go, and then let's see here. I think that's everything. Okay, so let's make the music folder as well, and let's do the same with music and .mp3. Okay, so that's done as well. Looks like we might need to do that for the MSI files as well. And then let's okay, let's just create one more folder for the, so let's do the images, and let's move over all of the .iso files into the images. Boom. Yeah, I can go on and on and on about this. The rest of the files I'm going to delete probably because I don't need them anymore. But this is just a quick overview on how to manipulate the file directories in Windows very easily. Because the reason I found this was because, you know, I was looking into, if you type in .zip, this one is pretty easy to find, but this one works pretty fast, but I did this for all of the exe files and it was taking forever to just find all the exe files in this folder. So this is the reason why I thought I'd make this video. Some people might find this handy. So yeah, this was the video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please leave a like and a comment below. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.